guys, Susan here. Okay, let's get good hair, and that's what's next. Okay guys, so I know this is a deviation from designing, but as far as I'm concerned, it's all part of the same. Beauty and everything that has to do with beauty and hair and clothing is, is very important. With this quarantine time, I was isolated, obviously like all of us, and I was trying to address some self-care things, and one of the most important things, or one of the ones that bothers me the most, is my hair. And usually around April, when I was living in Miami especially, I always ran to get a keratin treatment because my hair is wavy, it's frizzy, it's kinky, it is not good. And I haven't had shine in years, and I don't know if it's a combination of a lot of antibiotic use and some over excessive of actually expensive products that tend to do worse damage to your hair than not if you overuse it. So I was looking through the internet, looking through the YouTube and trying to figure out different remedies. I wanted to heal my hair from the inside out and from the outside in. I wanted to have it naturally straightened. I don't want any extra products. My hair can't handle it. And I wanted shine. I wanted shine, and I wasn't getting it from any of the crazy products that I was out there. So I made this concoction. This is the third try, and I'm going to show you how I did it, and that's what's next. So this is my weapons here. This is my weapons. Okay, what I finally figured out after the third try is this combination of ingredients, and I'll give you how much I put in it. I have a huge aloe plant outside of my house right now. It's actually even blooming. It's doing so well. And I know aloe has a lot of benefits, but I didn't know that it has a natural straightening element to it. And then I never even cooked with coconut oil, but apparently coconut oil not only can even grow hair, but it can heal it from the inside out. I wanted to erase all of the extra stuff all over my hair, so I'm using lemon. I actually want to strengthen my hair, so I'm using vitamin E and then a really good argan. And the way I've combined this was I'm using my Ninja, and the way I did it was, if you don't have a plant at home, you can probably get aloe oil or aloe in a gel form. And I have my aloe, I literally was just cutting out all the skin and taking it out and putting it in. And I would put 2 tablespoons of aloe with 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of vitamin E, and 1 tablespoon of the argan. I would mix it together put it in my Ninja, and then mix it, blend it really, really well in the Ninja, and then it comes out and it looks like this. And so that is the consistency of what it looks like. It's very, very, it's luscious. I put this all over my body. I put it on my face, I put it on my neck, I put it on my shoulders. I just love this concoction that I came up with. And so anyways, I'm just gonna put it on my hands right now. So I wanted that combination, and I worked it out till I got it just right. So that is what I put in there. And then once you put it in your hair, I'm going to show you next how I put it in my hair, and I'll show you the rest of it, and that's what's next. Then I'm going to get a large tooth comb and comb through the entire head of hair like that. And then I'm going to use my little barrette, and I'm going to twist and tie it back here like that. So I have it just drenched. You can already see the shine coming. They're going to go ahead and get a plastic bag, a grocery store bag, and I'm going to just take it in the back and tie a double knot like that so that I can hold all those juices in. This is me out of the shower, and it's incredibly shiny already. I just blow dry it, 0 products I put on my hair. My hair can't handle a lot, and I wanted to see if I could just heal it from the inside out, or not just camouflage it with some kind of potion, right? And this is the 3rd time I've tried it, and this is as shiny as I've seen my hair in probably decades. You know, I've been wanting to, as this quarantine, to just improve things, and I wanted to address my hair. Like, it really was bothering me that it was in such bad shape. And there's power in good hair, guys. There's power in good hair. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Let me know if you want to see more in the comments, and I'll see you soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.